Our DNA is constantly damaged due to exposure to chemicals, radiation, and also during normal cellular metabolism. To counteract these threats, cells have developed an intricate set of molecular machines that find and repair DNA damage. However, this defense is not fail-safe. An accumulation of DNA damage is associated with aging, neurodegeneration, and cancer. We know that cells possess an arsenal of defense mechanisms, where hundreds of different proteins collaborate to find broken DNA and stitch it together. We need to identify the specific proteins involved, elucidate their structures, and better understand how they work together. For that, we need to look at them at the highest level of detail, using powerful electron microscopes. Seeing what they look like gives us clues as to how they work, and helps us explain how, when these processes go wrong, they lead to disease. Working in Cambridge is very inspiring, and being part of an international scientific environment leads to new opportunities and new research projects. Next stop for me is Aarhus University in Denmark. I hope that my work will contribute to pushing the boundaries of our knowledge, generate new insights, and open new avenues of research. Ultimately, this will help us better understand how cells work. As structural biologists, we're looking at complexes that haven't ever been seen before. We are exploring uncharted territory. Some of the most exhilarating moments I have experienced are when I see a structure for the first time, and it explains previous observations and experiments. You feel like pieces falling into place and everything suddenly making sense.